Now let's talk about buying and selling options. When you buy a call option, we have just seen it in our example, you make money when the stock, in this case Apple, goes up, right? Now, when you buy a put option, you make money when the stock goes down, right? Okay, so these are the basics. You might want to write this down or take a picture. The beautiful thing is when trading, you can have a cheat sheet. You can write this down on a Post-it, stick it on your computer. When you buy a call option, you make money when the stock is going up. And when you buy a put option, you make money when the stock is going down. Take a picture, or as I said, I'll make the slides available for you. I'll put a link in the description right underneath. We talked about buying a call option, you make money when the stock goes up. So what happens when you sell a call option? Ooh, let's talk about that. So let's say, same example to keep it simple enough. And I'm recording this on April 8th. So we have like 9 days to expiration. So the Apple put option for 280, the buyer has the right to sell Apple for 280 before April 17, right? And the seller has to buy Apple for 280 before April 17th. I know, sounds a little bit confusing. This is why you can pause the video if you're watching this right now. Rewind it, go back a few seconds, 20, 30 seconds, and look at it again.